Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. In this video, we are going to solve a very important and an interesting example in linear equations in two variables. Well, we'll solve this example using elimination method. Let's read the question and understand it. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. Well, this example is based on the fractions. This is the first condition. The second condition is the fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. Then we have to find the fraction. As this is an example based on elimination method, it means we are going to form two linear equations in two variables, right? So can you identify which are the variables here? Well, every fraction is in the form of a numerator upon denominator. So we will consider that the required fraction is in the form of x upon y. So let's begin with the solution. Let us consider that required fraction is x upon y, right? That's the first step. Now let's convert the first condition into equation. Now according to the first condition, we are going to add 1 to the numerator. It means this becomes x plus 1 and subtract 1 from the denominator. So that means y minus 1. And when we do this, the fraction becomes 1. It reduces to 1 means it becomes 1. Right? Now let's convert this condition into equation in standard form. Let's simplify it. So we'll have x plus 1 equals to y minus 1. That is x minus y is equals to minus 2. This is our first equation. Now let's use the second condition. What is the second condition? Well, it says that if we add only 1 to the denominator, it means x upon y plus 1. Now as when we add 1 to the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Let's again simplify this and write it in a general form. So what we're going to have is 2 times x will be equals to y plus 1. That is 2 times x minus y will be equals to 1, and this is our equation number 2. Now as discussed, we are going to solve this using elimination method. Now identify the coefficients of both the variables. In the first equation, the coefficient of x is 1. Here it is 2x. It means coefficients of x are not same. Let's talk about coefficients of y. Here it is minus 1. In the second example, in the second equation also it is minus 1. It means now coefficients of y are same. So what do we do when coefficients are same? We subtract. So let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. You can do vice versa also. You can subtract 1 from 2 also. But I am going to subtract second equation from the first one. So what is equation number 2? Let me write here. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So equation 1, x minus y is equals to minus 2. Second equation, 2x minus y is equals to 1. Let's do the subtraction. Now as you know, when we do the subtraction, there will be changes in the sign here. This is positive term, this becomes negative. This one is a negative term, this becomes positive. And this one is positive, so this becomes minus. Let's observe carefully. Minus y plus y gets cancelled. X minus 2x becomes minus x. Minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3. So what is the value of x here? As x is the numerator, okay? So we have obtained the value of numerator. It is 3. X is equals to 3. And now what to do? Well, we are going to substitute. Let's substitute x equals to 3 in either of the equation, either in equation 1 or equation 2. Let me substitute it in equation number 1. So we have x minus y, but x is 3, that is 3 minus y is equals to minus 2. That is minus y equals to minus 2 minus 3, and therefore we will have the value of y as 5. Why will be 5? Because minus y is equals to minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5. So minus y is minus 5. No? So obviously the value of y will be 5 if you multiply both sides by minus 1, right? So x is the numerator and y is the denominator, right? So what is the required fraction? Well, the required fraction, that is x upon y, will be equals to x is 3, y is 5. So this is our answer, right? Let us verify also whether our answer is correct or not. Let's check the first condition, right? X plus 1, so that will be 3 plus 1, which is 4, and subtract 1 from the denominator. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 4 upon 4 is equals to 1. It means the condition is satisfied, right, students? So I hope you have understood this problem very well. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.